Hey guys, Merlin here. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a PYO event using the Merlin Tickets online admin area. I'm going to use a Pumpkin event, and it's going to be a multi-day, multi-session event. So what you need to do first is log into your online admin area. Then go to admissions, events, and we're going to add a new event. The event code, all in caps, Pumpkin, E for event 01, event title PYO Pumpkins. Let's add some text. So a simple description: take your pick from a pumpkin patch this October and take your pumpkin home to carve up a creepy scene. We'd recommend wellies as it can get muddy. Halloween fancy dress is encouraged. Now I'm going to spruce this up a bit. We'll leave it like that for the time being and we'll concentrate on what we're doing. I'm going to select an image. Okay, so we've added a pumpkin image there. And let's click to add the ticket. So the ticket code, I'm going to keep the ticket code the same as the event code. So Pumpkin, all caps, and T for ticket 01. And it's going to be a general entry type ticket, so just put entry. You could have adult, child, whatever you want. Like 0 VAT. I'm not going to add a price, but you can add a price of £1, £2 or whatever you want, and it can be removed off the price of what quantity they're purchasing. I'm going to add a redeem code. R for redeem 01. I'm not going to use gift aid, but I'm just going to pop it in the gift aid. I'm going to have head count as 1, and I'm going to have position 1. Okay, so that's just a standard type ticket. Right, this is where the fun starts. Okay, this is where a few people go wrong, but it is a learning curve, so once you've done 1 and 2, well, then you should be fine. So I'm going to have a start date. Let's have a look at the start date. I want it to start near end of October. So let's start it on 25th of October, and I'll run it up till 31st of October. Right, the entry time. I want the first customers to arrive at 10 AM in the morning. Okay. Last entry time for this session, not for the last session, for this session. So I'm going to give them 1 hour to pick the pumpkins in the field. So that's 1 hour to pick the pumpkins in the field. Right. This box here is going to let me repeat the sessions. So if I click that, you can see a few more boxes open, a few more input fields. Now, how frequently do I want to repeat this session? So I'm giving them 1 hour to pick, and with social distancing I don't want to invade the next hour, so I'm going to have this set at 60 minutes. So that means that they could come in at 10, they've got 60 minutes to pick the pumpkin, and then they leave the field and come to the farm, and then the other people go in at 11, and the other people go in at 12, and the other people, so they've like a 60-minute slot. Okay, you could have it 15, 30, or whatever time you wanted. What is the last session time? Okay, so I'm wanting to close the field at 4 o'clock. So you wouldn't put 4 o'clock in there because it's before session. So if I put 3 o'clock in there, that's the entry time. I want them in at 3 o'clock and I want them out by 4 and the field shut. If you were just using 1 or 2 days, you could untick some of these, but I'm going to leave them all ticked because, as you can see, it's a full week. I'm going to want 50 in the field at one time, because you can bet some of them don't leave within an hour. So I'm edging my bets here. So there's going to be 50 at 10 o'clock, 50 at 11 o'clock, 50 at 12, and once there's 50 sold, for 10 o'clock it will go to sold out. Daily sessions. Now this is going to generate, if I tick it, it's going to generate a session for 10 AM, a session for 11, 12, 1 for every day. I'm going to tick it because this gives me power to edit each session. So second, we're getting to 31st of October and the field is really picked out and there's not much to sell. I can reduce the numbers, or I can even take some of the sessions out and make them unavailable. So this gives me the command of each session. Now if you're confident that you didn't want this, then you just untick it and you'll be able to edit the sessions as a group. Ticking this, it splits them all up into single sessions, but the downcome of it is if you need to edit it, you would have to edit all sessions. So say instead of closing at 4 o'clock, you wanted to close at 3 o'clock, you'd have to go into the sessions that deals with that and amend each one. So let's save the time and date. That's everything. And just quickly check. I'm going to add it to a category. I'm going to leave it to events. Now I'm going to click publish event. Now I'm generating a lot of data there and sending it to Merlin's database. So I'm going to click publish event once and wait. Now it did it pretty fast there, but there are times if you're generating months of data, so say we're doing it September and October and we're splitting everyone up, it might take a bit longer. Do not press it again. Okay, just press it and just wait, and then it will take you to the top of the page when it's done. So let's reload that page. As you can see, the pumpkin event is there. Let's make sure all my sessions are there. Starts at 10, finishes at 3. Don't forget they've got an hour's picking, so the field will close at 4 and everyone should be there. And that is perfect. Let's go back into the event now and have a look. So I'm just going to refresh stuff. Go into the pumpkin. Let's scroll right down to the bottom, and can you see it's added all the sessions for us? 10, 12, 11, 11, 12. Let's go to the last one. 3, 4. Field shuts at 4. No more sessions for that day. Let's start for 26, 27. They are set up absolutely perfect. Now, okay, so let's spruce this up a bit. So that's a title, Fantastic PYO. And I'm going to add a few emojis. Yes, you can add emojis, and you can even add links to pictures which will show up. Now, there'll be better people out there that's better at this, quite artists, but I'm just showing you some of the things you can do. Okay, let's add some love hearts, and let's click save, and let's have a look what it looks like. So Can't see it at the moment. I'm going to refresh the page. Yeah, looks a bit better. Like I said, I'm no artist, you know, but you can do all sorts with emojis and displays and that. Let's have a look at this picture then. Okay, let's go back in. Now I'm going to change this picture. You know, it's a nice picture. I want something better. Let's have a look. There you go. There's a pumpkin GIF there. I'm going to use that. Click it, open. Yeah, nice and cute. Let's save it. Okay, let's refresh the event. In fact, we'll go to the start. And there you go. Yeah, something nice. Let's go into the event. Should still work there. That's great. And that's how to do a multi-day, multi-session PYO or any type of event that you want for multi-day, multi-session that you set up in just a few clicks, and you don't have to do every single slot, every single session. It does them all for you. Hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.